Zhejiang Laiannuo Industry and Trade Company Limited is located in Zhejiang Jinyun Economic Technical Cooperation Industrial Area. Our company specializes in the manufacturing and import of IT by exporting new industrial machinery and tools. We are capable of producing more types of machines, including bandsaw machines, circular saw machine, grinding machines, aluminum saw, and automotive machines and other similar products. All products were PASE certificates. Currently, we export our range to over 20 counties and supply clients. In addition, our company is proud to be a professional and reputable company with highly qualified and professional employees. We make every effort to provide our clients with superior products at competitive prices. As a representative of LionNord Industry, we are committed to providing our customers with top-quality machines that meet and exceed industry standards. Our machines are carefully designed and constructed using only high-quality materials to ensure longevity and durability. We are constantly striving to improve our products and push the boundaries of what is possible in the industry. We promise to continue investing in research and development to bring the latest technologies to the market. Our priority